it's a lots of candies, right? Why am I showing you all these candies? There is a reason. So typically when you go to a company and say, what is the flavor of Hadoop? And that's a very technical question. I'm not asking candy flavor or vanilla or strawberry. It's the real term. Either you ask what is the flavor or what is your distribution. And these companies, the Cloudera, and I'll talk about the rest, are called as distributors. They distribute the software. They're not creators of software, because what they're doing, they are taking the software from Apache and just distributing it to you. So that's why they are called as distributors. If you take software from somebody and sell it, big business. That's why all these companies want to get into that business. And everybody literally wants to get Microsoft, and everybody is Microsoft there. Not yet. I should add Microsoft everywhere, because they're getting bigger and bigger in the space. So Cloudera was the first one we started that, and every other company is following it. The reason why I'm showing you the candy is, in all the candy, the main ingredient is sugar, right? Which is not good for you, by the way, right? That's sugar. What these companies or these candies have done, they have color coded in differently. The flavors may be different. All that may be different. But end of the day, it's sugar underlying. So all these distributions which they are, any of the distribution underlying it's Apache's Hadoop. So they have all taken Apache Hadoop and changed the flavor, color, and all those things. Some will change, to some, lot of changes. So that's why there's a differences. For example, Hortonworks is a company which was formed immediately after Cloudera. Original set of people who created Hadoop, they went to two camps. One mostly went to Cloudera. No, actually mostly went to Hortonworks. And some key ones like Duck Cutting went to Cloudera. So those are two. But there are more and more companies, and obviously people move around. So many companies have jumped from this company to that company. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, everybody is trying to create similar kind of a thing. They're taking the software and doing some changes, some strawberry flavor, some vanilla flavor, some other cherry flavor, and giving it to us in that format. There's a value for that, and I will talk about that. But that's the reason I'm showing you candy and what thing. Take away from this slide is you should not be worried that I know Cloudera. There's nothing like you only know Cloudera, because everything is, the mother of all is Apache Hadoop. If you know one, you most probably know half or 70% or 80% of the other one also. So don't get too worried. And that's why what we do is training things which we really go for multiple projects, multiple assignments, one on the Cloudera, one on the Hortonworks, different labs, something on the Amazon, so that you don't fear. The fear is gone. That you know, it is the same thing. It just looks the same thing. It's just a way to connect or start or do different, little bit of difference, but mostly it's same. So we try to do that, and you should not be worried about as well. Obviously, there is a preference if there is a project which has Amazon and you have Amazon skills. Obviously, there will be advantages. So that's the reason why I'm showing all the candies, making you hungry, right?